Pero malapit na kasi. Wala.
Cute. Ano to? Ganting camel. Giant. Giant na camel yan. Ay, dumilim. Ano naman to?
Yan ang oryx.
Ano yung oryx?
Yan yung oryx. Yan ang snake. Scorpion. Ito, horn. Diba?
Ayun yung oryx, oh.
Tapos meron ano, wolf. Wolf?
Ano yung mga wolf? Wolf to? Oh, ayun oh. Ayun, ayun pa.
Ano ba yan?
Ito. Uy. Nakatakot. Black lady. Ano yung ginagawa nila, kuya?
Chanchay.
Sila kuya.
Chanchay.
Basta po. Luto na. Si ano.
وظل كمان انه الصقر جدا جعان ها
Ayan lang nakatira.
Ganyan lang yung bahay nila natin.
Oo.
Ganun? Mag-ara, ano? Tapos dito.
Nasa ano lang, sulok-sulok.
Ayan, no? Ano yan?
Mamay.
Mining na.
Mining sila.
Mining.
Bato-bato yung bato.
Nagma-mining nga. Mining. Mining. Ayun na. Si Baba.
Once more, the copper ore was heated to separate the copper from the
Bato-bato
process
lang.
known as smelting. Molten liquid copper was poured into molds to make tools, weapons, and jewelry.
Lava
Once
ba?
they passed through, they were hammered to shape.
Ito, nag-aaral na sila.
Settle down, please, children. Turn to page 17. Can anybody tell me what they see here? Ahmed?
May isda, may isda.
My great-grandfather was the same diver. He could hold his breath for ages. He taught me to swim and dive.
In the last century, huge fleets of foreign vessels set out from Abu Dhabi every summer. The departure of the fleet was a major event. Families were preparing their countries while they were visits. Some of them were inspired by the The divers were waiting
May aquarium.
to the shallow banks
I'm a fish. That's a fish.
dangerous
Wala.
with stinging
Walang fish.
sharp
Meron maliliit.
might establish a family support to keep their spirits up and in hand with charm to inspire the tourists, leading them all
Laki yung aquarium.
along each stage of the journey. Since oil was discovered in areas with modern oil,
Ang iniinom.
Asa na iniinom niya? Ano? Galing.
Di ba, hindi mo alam to?
Ay, may tao, may tao. Ayun o.
Uy, ito yung yung malalim na ba? Yung
Ah,
dive nila.
yung ano? Ayun o. Ano yan? Ba't may chopper? So good. Tara. Titriin mo siya ng oil. Ng oil.
Oil naman, ano?
And other heavy machines extracting the silicon from the
Okay.
These items are oil injection
Facilities.
every day at offshore and onshore production facilities. But even this small industry will use well divers help create industry and downstream supply. Nowadays, massive tankers are being transporting oil and gas to the rest of the world.
Ayan o. Galing o. Wow, ikot tayo, ikot.
Abu Dhabi today is an emirate to be proud of.
Wow.
There is so much to do in this dynamic life. Business streets,
Sabay-sabay.
shopping malls, markets, hotels,
Sabay.
Galing nga.
beautiful mosques,
Kaya na. Wow. Hamdan. Ito yung Hamdan. Ayan o. Wow. Oh, ang galing o. Wow. Wow. Building. Dahil sakyan o. May ilaw eh. And then si ano, Abdullah. Sulit, no?